Hello everyone, it's the Brick Public and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your LEGO 212 Troopers that came in the new ATTE, came out in 2022. Yeah, 2022. These guys right here, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade them. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. So here are the pieces you're going to need to upgrade the first figure. So what you're going to want to do is take off the head and the helmet, take the arms off from the torso, and take the legs apart from the torso. Once you do that, take your legs, add any comma, whichever ones you have. This is the one from the 2020 Airborne Trooper, but any works, any color, anything. Put the torso back on. To do that, add some orange arms. Orange arms just make the 212 Trooper look better. Add this Clone Army custom backpack, or any backpack you want. Add the head, and then add the helmet back on. Once you do that, there are two options you can do. You can either use this orange visor that comes in the set, or you can do a custom one that Clone Army Custom sells. I don't have the Clone Army Custom one, so I'm going to be using this one. And then grab a pistol or whatever weapon you want to use and attach it to the figure. And there you go. There's the first figure done. It's like an officer, I think, with the comma and the rangefinder. So I think it's like an officer. But yeah, let's go to the next figure. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the last figure. So take your figure and take the arms off, just like before. Take the helmet off, the head off, and separate the torso from the legs. Once you do that, add another comma or waistcape, whatever you call it. This is just a black one. Add it on, just like that. Grab a Jonak Toys heavy strap or any custom seller that sells heavy straps. There's a lot of them. I just prefer Jonak Toys because I think their material's better. They also have orange ones that are relatively new, so that's why I don't have them. But I will definitely pick some up for my 212th. There we go. Add on some orange arms once again. It's a must-have with these figures because the orange arms make them look so much better. Just like that. Add the head, add the helmet, and then add a heavy visor that came also in the set. 3 of them. Yeah, there were 3 of them that came in the set. What is that noise? Professional quality there. Perfect. There is the figure. It's a heavy trooper, and here's a quick minigun design to add to the figure. So take this little handle piece and take this little stud and connect them together. Add this little stud shooter and put it right here. Take this little piece here, add it onto the back right there, and then add this little Technic piece right there. Flip the figure's hands around, and then add the minigun to the figure. And oh my word. Just like that, the figure has a minigun, and it looks very nice. So with that, let's go to the outro. There are the 2 figures finished. I think they look a lot better than the ones that came in the set. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below any suggestions for future videos. I always read my comments, and I always like to see what you guys have to say. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. By the time of recording this, I will have another one up soon, so be prepared for that. And yeah, hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.